everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a topic that affects millions of men but is often kept in the shadows: erectile dysfunction, or ED. If you're struggling with this, please know you are absolutely not alone. More importantly, there's so much hope and many effective solutions available. This isn't just about what happens in the bedroom. It's a conversation about your overall health and well-being. So, let's talk openly and honestly about what really works to improve it, naturally and effectively. What if I told you that simple, powerful lifestyle changes could make a massive difference in overcoming ED? Stick with me, because we're going to break it all down. So, what exactly is erectile dysfunction? In simple terms, it's the consistent inability to get or keep an erection firm enough for sexual intercourse. While it can happen to any man occasionally, when it becomes a regular issue, it's classified as ED. Now, why does it happen? It's not just one thing. Think of it like a complex system. For an erection to occur, your brain, hormones, emotions, nerves, muscles, and blood vessels all need to work in harmony. A problem with any of these can interfere with the process. The most common physical cause is related to blood flow. An erection requires a healthy supply of blood to the penis, so anything that affects your circulation, like heart disease, high blood pressure, or diabetes, can be a major contributor. Other common causes include hormonal imbalances, nerve damage, and side effects from certain medications. But it's not all physical. Lifestyle factors play a huge role. Things like stress, lack of sleep, smoking, excessive alcohol use, and a sedentary lifestyle can all throw this delicate system off balance. Understanding these causes is the first step toward finding the right solution for you. Now for the good news, you have a tremendous amount of power to improve this situation through your lifestyle. Let's start with one of the most effective tools you have: exercise. Regular physical activity is a game changer for cardiovascular health, which is directly linked to erectile function. When you exercise, you improve blood flow, strengthen your heart, lower blood pressure, and help maintain a healthy weight, all of which combat the physical causes of ED. You don't need to become a marathon runner overnight. Even 30 minutes of moderate activity like brisk walking, jogging, swimming, or cycling most days of the week can have a profound impact. Think of it as a workout for your entire circulatory system. Plus, exercise is a fantastic stress buster, which we'll talk more about in a moment. Next up is your diet. The saying, "You are what you eat," is especially true here. A diet that's good for your heart is also great for your erections. Focus on whole foods, plenty of fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins. Foods rich in flavonoids like berries, citrus fruits, and dark leafy greens are particularly beneficial because they help improve circulation and blood vessel health. Try to cut back on processed foods, sugary drinks, and excessive saturated and trans fats. These can lead to weight gain, high cholesterol, and clogged arteries, all of which are enemies of healthy erectile function. A Mediterranean-style diet, rich in olive oil, fish, nuts, and fresh produce, has been shown in studies to be particularly effective. It's not about a restrictive diet. It's about nourishing your body with the fuel it needs to function at its best. Let's also talk about two major lifestyle habits that need to be addressed: smoking and alcohol. If you smoke, one of the best things you can do for your erectile health and your overall health is to quit. Smoking damages your blood vessels, restricting blood flow throughout your body, including to the penis. The damage can be long-term, so the sooner you stop, the better your body can begin to heal. Similarly, while a single drink might help you relax, chronic or excessive alcohol consumption is a well-known cause of ED. Alcohol acts as a depressant on your central nervous system, and it can interfere with the signals from your brain that are necessary to achieve an erection. It can also lead to hormonal imbalances and nerve damage over time. Reducing your alcohol intake to moderate levels or quitting altogether can lead to significant improvements. We can't have a complete conversation about ED without addressing the powerful connection between mind and body. Your mental health plays a crucial role. Stress, anxiety, and depression are major contributors to erectile dysfunction. When you're stressed or anxious, your body releases hormones like adrenaline and cortisol, which can constrict blood vessels and interfere with the relaxation response needed for an erection. This can create a vicious cycle. You worry about your performance, which causes anxiety, which then makes it even harder to perform. It's a frustrating loop, but you can break it. Practicing mindfulness and meditation can be incredibly helpful. These techniques teach you to stay present, calm your nervous system, and reduce the impact of stress. Even a few minutes of deep breathing exercises each day can make a difference. If you feel that your mental health struggles are significant, please don't hesitate to seek help. Therapy, especially cognitive behavioral therapy or couples counseling, can provide you with tools to manage anxiety and improve communication with your partner. Talking about it is a sign of strength, not weakness. Alongside lifestyle changes, certain foods and natural supplements are often discussed for their potential to support circulation and sexual health. Foods rich in L-arginine and L-citrulline, which are amino acids that help produce nitric oxide, are key. Nitric oxide helps relax blood vessels, improving blood flow. You can find these in foods like watermelon, nuts, seeds, and leafy greens. Other beneficial nutrients include zinc, found in oysters and pumpkin seeds, and antioxidants from berries and dark chocolate. When it comes to supplements, things like Panax ginseng, often called the herbal Viagra, and ginkgo biloba have been studied for their potential benefits, though results can be mixed. It is absolutely crucial to talk to your doctor before starting any new supplement. They can interact with medications or have side effects, so professional guidance is non-negotiable to ensure your safety and find what's right for you. Remember, supplements are meant to supplement a healthy lifestyle, not replace it. Finally, and this is perhaps the most important point, know when to talk to a doctor. While lifestyle changes are incredibly powerful, sometimes there's an underlying medical condition that needs to be addressed. ED can be an early warning sign for more serious health issues like heart disease or diabetes. Seeing a doctor isn't an admission of defeat. It's a proactive step toward taking control of your health. A doctor can run tests to check your heart health, hormone levels, and blood sugar, helping to identify the root cause. They can also discuss a full range of medical treatment options with you, from oral medications to other therapies. There are so many effective, safe treatments available today. Taking that first step to make an appointment is a true sign of strength and self-respect. You deserve to feel your best, and a healthcare professional is your partner in achieving that. I want to leave you with this. Erectile dysfunction is treatable, and it's far more common than you think. You don't have to navigate this alone or in silence. Taking charge of your health, whether it's by changing your diet, starting an exercise routine, or scheduling a doctor's visit, is a powerful and positive action. Every small step you take is a victory. I truly hope this video has given you some clarity and, more importantly, some hope. I'm curious to know, which of these tips do you think would be the most helpful for you to start with? Let me know in the comments below. Your journey could inspire someone else. And if you found this video valuable, please consider sharing it with someone who might need to hear this message. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more content on health and wellness. Take care, and I'll see you in the next one.